Hello, nomads and nature lovers. Have you ever wondered how to grow your own food while living life on the road? Today, we're diving into the possibilities and challenges of van life gardening, a way to stay self-sufficient and enjoy fresh food wherever your travels take you. Living in a van or mobile home comes with unique gardening challenges, like limited space, variable lighting, and the need to keep plants secure while driving. But don't worry, there are solutions for all of these obstacles. Van life gardening isn't just possible, it's rewarding. From growing fresh herbs in small containers to using hydroponic systems for leafy greens, you can enjoy the taste of homegrown food even on the road. Having access to fresh, self-grown food enhances your meals and promotes self-sufficiency. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to reduce your reliance on packaged foods while staying connected to nature. Van life gardening may take a little creativity, but it's an incredible way to bring sustainability and freshness to your travels. In this series, we'll explore compact setups, the best plants for van life, and more. If you're excited about growing food on the go, hit that subscribe button and join us for more tips on van life gardening. Let us know in the comments what challenges or questions you have, and let's start growing together.